In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite members to Circle.so. Whether you're a new community manager or a seasoned pro looking for a refresher, this guide will walk you through the simple steps to grow your circle. So, community effectively. Let's dive right in and explore this process together. To start, locate the members section in your circle. So, dashboard. This section is your management hub for all members and invitations. Look towards the left-hand sidebar on your screen and you'll find a tab labeled Members. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a new page where you can view current members and manage the invitation process efficiently. Next, move your attention to the top right corner of this page. Here you'll see a button labeled Invite Members. Clicking this button is your gateway to inviting new members. It's placed prominently, ensuring you can easily find it whenever you want to bring new individuals into your community. Once you've hit the invite button, you'll be presented with two options. You can choose to invite members either through email or by sharing a link. Selecting the email invitation option allows you to directly send invitations to specific individuals. On the other hand, the link option is great for sharing widely on your platforms of choice. If you choose the email method, you'll need to enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Carefully type in each address into the designated section, and once you're ready, click on Send Invites. This will trigger automatic invitations sent directly to the emails you've entered, making it seamless for potential members to join your community. Alternatively, if you opt for the link method, there's a quick and easy way to share it. Simply click on Copy Link and you'll have the invitation link copied to your clipboard. You can then paste this link into any communication channel you prefer. This could mean sharing the link in newsletters, social media platforms, or even direct messages to reach potential members effectively. Once the invitations have been sent out, if you're prompted, make sure to click Done or Save to ensure all settings and invitations are securely processed. This final step is crucial as it helps in saving any changes or actions you have initiated. Finally, there's an optional step that you might find useful. Before sending out the invitations, you can choose a specific space or plan for the new members to join. There's a convenient drop-down menu that offers a variety of options to help you tailor the membership plan. Simply select the most appropriate one for your community's needs. And there you have it. You are now equipped to efficiently invite members to your Circle.so community. By following these steps,